Hi there, it's Mary with Avon coming to you today for tips on how to order Avon from the online Avon brochure. So first go to shopfrommary.com and then hover over the digital catalog and click Shop the Brochure. Here you'll find the current Avon brochure and the flyers. Click on the current brochure and you can view every page by clicking on the arrow. When you find a product that you want to order, all you have to do is click on it. Add to bag. And then when you're done shopping, go up to the shopping cart, view bag, and checkout. There you will find all the products that you are ordering, and you can add a free brochure. Put in a coupon code and click apply if you have one, and then go ahead and check out. It's that simple. Thank you so much for watching and hope to see you at my next video.